baby winning episode. We have butternut, we have peas, and shredded chicken. Today we're just going to boil them. We're not going to fry them. So in a pan, add your butternut. Then I'm going to use chicken stock to boil the food. You see it has a lot of fats, so the fats are enough for the baby, no need to fry. I will also add green peas so they can boil together. Cover it and let it cook. I will add in the chicken. The chicken was boiled before, so it's already cooked. See how colorful it looks? So it's already cooked. I'm just going to press mash because of the piece. Don't give your baby a whole piece if it's still 6 to how many months, I don't know. Just make sure all the piece is like pressed down. You're going to serve the food with sweet melon, with blueberries and water, of course. But for the blueberries, just make sure you press them with a fork like this. Don't give your baby a whole blueberry, they'll choke on it. So that's it, and see you on the next episode.